Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining. My name is Mike. I'm a solutions architect here at Flxpoint, and today I'll be walking you through some awesome new features that we've recently released. We're going to cover a big upgrade to our dashboard, also known as your Flxpoint homepage. We'll also check out an enhancement to our GunBroker integration that introduces a new way of selling on GunBroker. Jumping on into the app, you'll be greeted right away by our new dashboard that lives on your home screen. The dashboard has been revamped to give our users a streamlined view of the data that matters to them the most. Let's dive into the various tools. Our orders report is designed to show a rolling view of order data for a quick glance at trends on your order volume and revenue. You can filter by specific fulfillment sources or sales channels to hone in on the data that you're searching for. Our notifications widget provides a quick system health check to determine if any action is needed on the various jobs running on the account. Now, let's take a look at our status reports. These sections of the dashboard will take you to different areas of the app that might need your attention with the click of a button. The order status section will direct you to active orders that might need your attention, and you can see how quickly we can jump to orders that have been flagged as needing attention, on hold, or unprocessed. Once you've actioned any of these orders, they will be removed from the queue in your dashboard. The shipment status section is designed to give you more insight and control of source performance. The focus here is on the fulfillment side of the order. To start, let's take a look at setting up SLAs for fulfillment time. You can see here that an SLA can be set for each fulfillment source based on how quickly you expect them to ship after receiving an order. Once those are configured, you can leverage these statuses to keep track and notify the appropriate party if a shipment is outside of SLA. If you're looking to send email notifications directly from Flxpoint, select the filter for shipments outside of SLA. On the right-hand side, you can see a column that lets you know if you have already sent the fulfillment request details to your source. If you want to send a notification to your source or vendor, you can select the Actions dropdown, then Email Communication, and an email will be pre-filled with the vendor's email address, the email address you are sending this from, and the order details to the vendor so they are aware of what is outside of SLA. Finally, let's take a quick look at the catalog status section of the dashboard. This section will show you all of your products and inventory items that might need your attention. Changing things up, I also wanted to share an enhancement to our integration with the GunBroker sales channel. Flxpoint is already known for having the best GunBroker integration on the market, but that doesn't mean we'll stop adding new features to help grow your business. Now, in addition to our easy listing creation and order automation, we support GunBroker Auctions. By adding a new GunBroker channel, and with a few quick adjustments to your mapping templates, you can start automating the creation and management of auction listings on GunBroker. Check it out and get auctions added to your GunBroker tool belt. On behalf of all of us here at Flxpoint, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos to come.